Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and yourself. Backup key data, update MIUI, then restart. Once done, wipe the sensor area with isopropyl or a lint-free cloth to remove oils. Make sure your finger is dry and clean. Oils change capacitive readings. Next, check for screen protectors that interfere, remove or use a recommended film. Finally, open Settings and go to Passwords and Security so you're ready to remove problematic fingerprints and start enrollment. You'll now recalibrate the fingerprint system, delete every saved fingerprint, and reboot the device to clear temporary state. Once it reboots, enroll the same finger multiple times, changing angle and placement. This builds a richer template and increases success rate. Press with steady, moderate pressure. Avoid sliding too fast. Make sure you complete the full progress ring for each pass. Once enrolled, enable finger unlock options in security settings and test unlocking repeatedly to confirm reliability. You finish by validating and troubleshooting. Clear system cache from recovery because old cache can affect sensor drivers. If problems persist, test alternative fingers and boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If the sensor fails only when the screen is wet or with a particular protector, switch to a compatible film. Finally, if every software fix fails, make an appointment with Xiaomi service. Hardware replacements or module reseating often solve persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.